Right, exercise 22, question 4, multiply out these brackets. This time, again, I've worked this one through, and then I've put an extra question at the end, which is very like it for you to have a go at. So in this one, I've got to multiply everything in this bracket by everything in that bracket. No symbol in between the brackets means multiply. So I'm multiplying these two brackets together. So what I tend to do is I take the a in the first bracket and then multiply that by each term in the second bracket. So I'll take the first term in the first bracket, multiply it by each term in the second, and then when I've done that, I take the second term in the first bracket and multiply that by each term in the second bracket. So that's the process I use. There are other ways that you may have learnt. So, but the bottom line is you must make sure you multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. So if I use my method, a times a gives me a squared. A times 2b gives me 2ab. The order in which you write it doesn't matter, but I tend to put numbers first and then the letters alphabetically. That's a convention that I'd like you to use. So that's the first term in the first bracket multiplied by both terms in the second bracket. Now take the second term, b, and multiply that by the a. So that gives me b times a, or ab, writing it alphabetically. And then b times 2b gives me 2b squared. So just take a moment to have a look at that and check you agree. Now, tidying up, I see that collecting like terms is a possibility. There's only one term involving a squared, so that's got to stay as it is. But if you look at the 2ab and the ab term, they're the same term. They're both in terms of ab. So I can add them together. 2 lots of ab plus another lot of ab is 3 lots of ab. So this equals a squared plus 3ab. And then finally, at the end, there's one term involving b squared, so 2b squared. To be able to add terms, they must be the same. In other words, the letters must be the same. AB, AB. It doesn't matter whether it's AB or BA, they're the same thing, but I can add them together. Okay, now have a go at this question here. Multiply 2x plus 3y by x plus 4y. Multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Pause this video and then have a look at the answer which follows. Okay, you should get 2x squared plus 11xy plus 12y squared.